Of course, your next question is how do you make these YouTube videos, and then what type of videos do you make? I'm going to tell you what I do and the way I think about stuff. Of course, I like to teach people, and that's a great way of getting people to follow you. But you can do a lot of different things. Let's get into how I record videos. Now, I know that Ari and Big get into buying these fancy cameras, and they do these outdoor shots of them walking around or driving a car, bobbing their head, and doing all these kind of fun, entertaining things, and that's good. If you got that sort of personality and you want to, attract people into your lifestyle and being entertaining and fun, by all means, buy a camera, bob your head up and down, and do all sorts of great things. Ari does this really professional videos with it. I mean, it is, this is really a very great way to brand your personality, who you are, what you are, and where you are. What I do is mostly screen captures. And you're looking at the software I use. It's called Camtasia from TechSmith. Camtasia is kind of the standard in the industry. It's very, very simple to use, and it has great training to teach you how to use it. It's not very expensive. I've been using it since the day it came out. I upgrade every time they have an upgrade. I buy the new upgrade whenever it comes. There are two versions, the PC and the Mac. This is one of the rare pieces of software where it's better on the PC than the Mac. I use the Mac. I'll be straight up honest with you. You can get their free trial version, but it's their older software, which doesn't give you as many functions. Now, I'm not going to go through and teach you how to use Camtasia in this training because, wow, they have great training videos themselves. So, but I couldn't do it as well as they do. But this is the software that we use for doing screen captures. There's other ones out there. There's lots of different things available. So you just do whatever you feel comfortable with. Just give you an idea what the cost is. It's really not that outrageous. I just buy a single user copy for my Mac. It knows I'm a Mac because I'm logging on my Mac. And if I want to upgrade to the greatest new version, it's like $45 more. I'm already on Mac 2.0, and it's not as good as the PC version. Doesn't have as many features, which is strange because generally people think of the Mac as being more graphic oriented, but in all honesty, in this particular program is better on a PC. I hate PCs because I buy Mac and they just run. There's no viruses, no this, no this, no this, no this. It's just so much easier to use compared to a PC. But anyhow, this is what you use. It's a software. Now, okay, so you have software and you can capture your screen. And it shows you a bit of an idea how it works here. You select your area on your screen. I have a 27-inch Mac. You're looking at just a 1100 by 800 section of my computer, and you're actually looking at a clip of my web browser. If I drop it down, you can see my desktop. You can see me the day I was baptized there. But my desktop is a mess always. It reflects my personality. It's got work that I'm working on. I put stuff on my desktop while I'm working, and when I'm done with it, I file it away. I don't continue to do things. But you can see how I'm taking the actual mouse and moving my browser around till I get it just right. And that's why every once in a while you'll notice a little change like this because I'll screw up and make a little adjustments. Now, if you're a perfectionist and everything has to be perfect, then that's fine. You can do that. But I'm not. I want to be human. There are people who spend 7 days trying to fix the period at the end of a line when I wouldn't spend 7 seconds to do it, because when if it gets the point across and you're showing some character in there, you're not trying to, we're not filming Titanic the movie. We're showing videos on stuff to get people to follow us in our YouTube channel or on Facebook or something like that, or to sign up for a program. Okay, so you need to make a lot of videos. Well, what type of videos do you make? You can make the entertaining videos that you put on Facebook, like Big does. If you have a video camera and you want to, have that sort of personality and you're gregarious and you want to do that. Or someone like Rob Fraser, he does a lot of videos where he goes into, let's say, the various different programs and does reviews. Like, he would log in to be on push and show you his account and show him how the compensation system works. And somewhere in there, he's like, get in contact with me. Or I'm putting a direct link in my videos, which is what I'm taught you to do. Is just like take your affiliate link from Beyond Push and add it into your video, but also make yourself available. Put your phone number in there. Make sure people know how they can call you to talk about these programs. You could do video reviews of something like Traffic Monsoon, which is fine and easy and great. And you can do actually how-to things. You can log into your account, show them how to surf ads. I'd pick one thing at a time and just show them how to. You can log into your Beyond Push account and show them, how to buy an ad pack. You can do the same thing with Traffic Monsoon. Or you can go into your Power Lead account and show them how to work on Power Lead system, right? How to make sure you do this, how to do this, different how-to videos. And you can just, or if you want to show them the Traffic University and say, hey, this is where you learn all this stuff, that's fine too. Since I clicked onto the screen. My point is there really is a lot of things that you can be talking about. Now, I'm spending a lot of time teaching YouTube and very soon Facebook marketing, and it's for a very specific reason. It's for your success. I'm not looking at getting anything out of this other than I would like to sell traffic. And that's part of my business, is selling traffic. It's how I pay the bills, is selling traffic to educated customers. But I want you to be a multi-tiered, creating a perpetual traffic system in the background, and having Camtasia and doing a bunch of how-to videos and just uploading them to your YouTube channel is an excellent way to do that. And it's something I would highly encourage you to do, because I'm going to do another YouTube video here in a minute. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do some fancy things right in YouTube itself. But Camtasia is the typical software. There's other ones out there. If you want to use other ones, that's fine. It doesn't have to cost you more than $100. This is a program I use every single day of my life. I'm always making videos. Do reviews of products. Go ahead and review other products. There's no reason why you're stuck to the 3 or 4 products you have. Once you get your channel active and you've got a lot of followers in your channel, you can do reviews of products on ClickBank and put affiliate links in there too and make other money on the side. The idea is to build your following on your YouTube channel with quality content, and then you have the ability to take that following who's all interested in make money online, for example, and then drop in a review of any product you so choose to do. And it works. And we're going to teach how to do that on Instagram as well. So for right now, the tool is, for me, no big fancy camera like you see the boys on Facebook doing. So don't let that intimidate you. You buy a $90 copy of Camtasia software. You do screen captures of various pieces of software and stuff. And you can even put your face on this. I'm going to pause for a second. Well, when you see the pictures of me, with my big bald head on their screen, it is because it's a configuration on Camtasia that I've set up. And I can actually do a picture-in-picture, and you see that Rob Fraser, where he'll have his picture down here while he's doing point-and-click stuff. It's just a way of creating identity for yourself. So there's the Camtasia can do just the live capture of you in front of your computer. And when I do that, I don't have the big fancy microphone. I don't have a big fancy camera. I just use my iMac. It's got an excellent microphone and excellent video built right into it, and I've got the big 27-inch one, so that's all I use. And I don't need to buy any other stuff. Will I buy it? Yeah, if business goes really, really well and I want to up my game a little bit, I might buy it to do some of the the bobblehead stuff that Biggs does, but I don't know if I need to do it, invest into it, unless I feel like I want to use share more of my personal life with people and my personality. But I'm the guy in the chair with no hair, if you haven't figured that out. Except I don't sit in the chair anymore. That's it, man.